How do you think this handmade bonsai blossom turned out? It looks incredibly intricate, but believe it or not, you only need a few simple materials, like a rock, some pipe cleaners, and a bit of floral tape to make one yourself. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. First, grab a vibrant red pipe cleaner. Start by looping and twisting the wire to form a small, delicate petal. You're going to repeat this process 5 times in total until you have a full, beautiful blossom shape starting to form. Now, take your stamen and place it right into the very center of those petals. Carefully wrap the end of your red pipe cleaner tightly around the white strings of the stamen. This is going to lock everything in place and ensure the flower stays together. To finish off the blossom, grab some green floral tape and wrap it firmly around the base. This keeps the stamen and the petals perfectly joined as one unit. Now, let's move on to the tree itself. Take 20 of your green pipe cleaners and bundle them up. Grip them firmly in the middle and begin twisting them together to create a strong, solid trunk. Once the center is tight, wrap that twisted bundle around your finger to give the trunk a more natural, organic curve. Make sure to leave the ends loose, as these will eventually become your roots and your branches. Now, spread those bottom green wires out wide and carefully place them over your chosen rock. You can use the weight of the rock itself to hold the tree steady while you focus on the top. Next, spread out the wires at the other end where you want your blossom to sit. Take your red flower and twist its stem together with the green branch wires until it feels rock solid. Now that the shape is finished, it's time to make it permanent. Start by gluing the center of the trunk down to the rock, then carefully glue down every single root, one by one, to give it that realistic look. Once the glue is completely dry, take your scissors and snip off any extra wire that's hanging off the rock. And there you have it, a stunning handmade bonsai blossom tree. What do you think of the final result? If you enjoyed this build, don't forget to subscribe for more creative projects.